I know you've used AI to write emails, summarize meetings, maybe even brainstorm, but here's the thing, most people are using AI like a vending machine. Input goes in, output comes out, and they move on. You're leaving 80% of the value on the floor. Today I'm going to show you the one productivity trick that actually changed how I work, the context sandwich. Here's the problem with most AI prompts. You say something like, write a cold email for my product. The AI writes something generic, you tweak it a bit, and you send it. It's fine, but it's not great. The context sandwich is simple. Tell the AI who you are, tell it who you're talking to, and tell it what outcome you actually want. Point 3 layers. That's it. Point 1, who you are. Before you ask for anything, spend 2 sentences describing your specific situation. Not, I'm a freelancer. Say, I'm a freelance web developer who specializes in Shopify stores, and I've been working with e-commerce clients for 4 years. Now the AI knows your voice, your expertise, and your context. Suddenly that email doesn't sound like a template anymore. Point 2, who you're talking to. This is the one nobody does. The recipient is a boutique clothing store owner in Austin, Texas. They have an existing website, but it's slow and they're losing sales. See what happened? The AI now knows the audience's pain points, industry, and location. The output goes from generic to specific without you having to do more work. Point 3, what outcome you want. Most people stop at write an email. Push further. The goal of this email is to get them on a 15-minute call to discuss their site speed issues. Don't pitch them immediately, build curiosity first. Now the AI has a strategy, not just a task. The output has structure, intent, and a clear goal. Let me show you how this plays out in real life. I needed to write a proposal for a client who kept ghosting me. Old me would have written, hey, here's my proposal. New me used the context sandwich. I'm a developer who's already done a discovery call with this client. They're a SaaS founder who's been burned by bad developers before. My goal is to rebuild trust before I talk pricing. The AI wrote an opening paragraph that acknowledged their past experience, referenced our call, and set up a low-pressure next step. The client replied in 2 hours, not because the AI wrote magic words, because I gave the AI the right chessboard to play on. Now, this works for way more than emails. Resumes, context sandwich, social media posts, context sandwich, code documentation. You bet every time you add context, the AI's output gets more specific to your world. And here's the kicker, you only have to build these contexts once. Save your who I am paragraph, save situational contexts for common tasks, then it's copy, paste, and refine. So here's your challenge this week. Before your next AI prompt, stop, write 2 sentences about yourself. Point 2, about your audience. Point 1, about your desired outcome. That's 5 sentences of prep for 10 times better results.